This is Zaffar Ali from the Zaffar tutorial. So today I am come with a great topic that how to solve the MCQs. So I am a student, that's why I am better know how to deal with, how to solve, and what are the strategies to solve the MCQs, and what is the best way to guess the best option for the MCQs. So without wasting of time, I am going to tell you the 5 best strategies that will help you to solve the MCQs exam. So first of all, what is MCQs? It stands for the multiple choice question. So first of all, in to solving MCQs exam, what you need to plan your time. If your paper is 1 hour, you have a 1 hour limit of time, then what you have to make the 3 section of your time. In the first section, you read all the MCQs, and that MCQs which are really easy for you, you just tick out them. In the second time, you have to read the difficult answer and guess those which are possibly related options. In the third and last time, you have to solve the last and think about the last questions which you don't know. So this is the plan your time, to how to deal with your time, because timing is very important in your MCQs exams. Number second is do not rush. Do not rush, what it mean? Do not rush means you do not have to quick in your exam. Means read all the options, 5 or 4 option in a MCQs question, so you have to read all, because in the rushing you may do wrong option, because it may, in the last option, it may have all of these option and none of these. A plus B. So it may occur these kind of option in the last option, D or E. So you have to do not rush, means you do not have to become fast in the MCQs exams. Number third, use clues. So if you prepared for the exam, you may read your text, you may read your book, or you may read online from the Google or YouTube. You use your clues. From where and from whom I have to read and what I have to read, guess it properly in doing the MCQs exams. So it is the best strategy also. Context based memory. You have to solve a context based memory, means you have to take those options which are the contextual based. Means you may read the context, you may read the books, you have the click the which option which is the context based, means which you have to read it, not other related option which may be wrong. Number 5th is practice. It depends upon the type of the examiner, which are the paper maker who made the papers. So you have to collect the past 5 years papers and read them, what kind of question he is giving to you, or what kind of MCQs he is using or what kind of way the paper is made. So in this way, if you practice on this kind of past papers, you may solve easily and get the top position. And these are the best 5 ways to solve the MCQs. These are the best 5 strategies to solve the MCQs. So if you like this lecture, then share with your friends. Thank you for watching this.